Hello guys, welcome back to True Legends. Today we are here back with the drone flight. Today we're in this nice open field. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to take off now. Let's take off, start recording. Alright, so as you can see, nice open fields. I mean, the weather isn't perfect, but there are going to be more sunny days. This is May. It's a really nice area. We're in a place called Lindersfield. So yeah, it's a really nice open area. You can see the trains. So yeah, I think the trains are going to come. We're going to try and get train shots in this area. So actually when the train comes, we're going to... Also, I'd like to come back here when it's like sunny, but right now it's overcast. So yeah. I'm going to wait for the trains to come. First we'll give it a fly. We'll go this way. So we're in this nice area. Can you see the trains? We can't see the trains from a distance. So these are London trains. You can kind of see the London skyline from here, look. As you can see. So that's it's a bit foggy today, as you can see. So yeah, let's just fly back. So this place would be amazing if it was sunny. Oh, summer is coming. We're approaching summer right now. So yeah. So we're like nearby. We're going to get an FPV shot. So let's come a little bit back. Yeah, check this out. Right, if we see the trains, we're going to record it. It's nice to have a low down shot. I usually get high up shots. It's good to get a low down shot. Let's see what the footbridge looks like. You can see a footbridge over here. I can hear a train approaching. Perhaps I should come back here, but we're gonna see the train approach. We're just gonna stay here. Trainspotting with the drone, that's so sick. Alright, let's start heading back now. Let's go the other way of the train tracks. Also, I want to go sports mode down this little bit here. So I'm going to come back. Actually, I'm not going to go in sports mode. I don't want to waste my battery. When it's like a little bit foggy like this, it kind of gives it a nice effect. But I would expect it to be foggy during the winter, but it's the beginning of May. Let's check if there's a... What's that down there? Make sure we can see it. Yeah, we can see it. Alright, let's go through this. Let's go sport mode and get a nice shot. That looks so sick. That's me right there flying it. Alright, so we're gonna wait for another train to come. Of course there's not much to do other than wait. Let's try and get a 360 photo of the area. Yeah, we can get a 360 photo here. Alright, let's get a 360 photo now. Stop recording. Go into 360 photo mode. And we do it. Alright, we're back on video mode. Let's try and get shots again. Let's go this way this time. We're gonna go to this hill. Gotta make sure we don't get in the visual line of the trees. So there's a nice shot, as you can see. There's not much to do other than just fly around when there's no train coming. Let's descend. Oh, train's coming. Let's get the train. I hear a train. Or maybe those are just cars in the motorway. Alright, train's looks like it's coming. Yeah, as you can see. We're gonna follow it now. Well, it's not as fast as the train. Alright, I think we just go to the other side this time. We haven't been to this side yet. we're gonna get a reveal shot of the trees. We're gonna go above the trees on this side. I'll show you after I come back here. I'm gonna come back to where I am. I'm gonna have a reveal shot. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come here. Okay, it ain't really special. The fact that you guys are just already seeing it right now, but should try and get a low down shot of the. I'm gonna try and get a reveal shot here. Look at that, that's a nice shot. Now we can just go up and get a reveal shot of the whole area, especially the bridge. Alright, let's just come back. Let's assess this bridge. I should really walk to near it. Right, let's go this side. Yeah, I really want to see what's down here. It's a really nice area though, this place, isn't it? I would come back here when it's more sunny. Can we hear the trains again? I think we can. Well, what we can do, we can go to do a low down FPV mode. We'll just I want to get a close shot of the trains. What else can I do? Yeah, we can see the train. Oh wow, that's nice. Can't really see it through this forest. Just gotta make sure we don't lose visual on behind the trees. Well, I can see the drone. It's not gonna go behind the trees because I'm going higher. All right. We'll just time lapse it. Let's go reverse now. Get a reverse shot of this. Alright, should we try and go in here? Oh, there ain't much. There's a train coming. Let's get the train. Oh, 2 trains. This is the same train that we saw while I was flying in Newbury Park, which is 2 videos ago. So yeah, what else is there to fly? There ain't really much else places, isn't it? So just try and go this way. After this we've got to start heading back because battery's low. I want to see that lake over there. What's that lake there? Looks really nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's the motorway down there. Right, let's start heading back now. Trying to see the trains on the other side. I can kind of hear it. I mean, although it's a cloudy day, the footage did turn out nice, which I can agree. Alright, we're going to land it now. We're at 17%. Oh, train's coming. Let's get the last train shot. Alright, and that's pretty much it. It's a bit dodgy landing it there. Don't want to hit the grass, so I'm going to have to catch it. Alright, that was a really nice flight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more drone videos, and yeah, peace out.